Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use text field control in our Qt QML application and how to accept the user input in our Qt application. So let's start. Just simply import the Qt controls first. Okay, now here write the text field. Assign the ID in Qt widget application. We use my object name property. Here we use id property, okay, for assign the value. Also let's set the width or height. Let's set width 200 and also you can set the height of 50, and let's set the anchor also. Let's set the our text box text field control in center of the our application, and also you can set the placeholder text. So here let's set the enter text here. Okay, let's set the size also here, and now let's run the application. So you can see the our text box control here. So you can write your data here. Okay, also you can set the font property here. Font size is 20. Let's run the application and check it. So you can see the font size is increased. So by this way you can easily set the basic property of text field control. Or also if you want to set the specific validator also here, so use the validator and use the regex validator, regex expression validator. For the numeric data, I'll just simply write this kind of expression. Okay, so it is simple, just to allow the only numeric data in your text field control. So you can see I can't write the alpha characters in this text box, but I can write the numeric data. Okay, but I can't write the alpha characters. So if you don't want to allow the or set the validator, just simply don't use this line or comment this line. Or if you want to set the or use this text box as a password text box, to set the echo mode, right here password. Or also you can set the password character. So let's set the star. Okay, and now let's run the application. So you can see the you can't see the original characters in this text box, but you can see the instead of original character to star character. Also you can change the password character here to dot also, or any kind of character you can use. So you can see. Okay, so if you don't want to use this text as a password character, so just simply comment this line or don't use this line. So now let's create the text change event, and now let's print the our text data while changing the our data at runtime. Text change data. Okay, now use the text property to get the text current text of your text box control. You can see the event is called when I enter the and you are write the any data here. You can see. So by this way you can easily create the text change event of your text field control. Also you can set the color property. So let's pick one any color. Let's set the this. Okay, and now let's run the application. So you can see the text color in our text box control. Okay, you can set your desired color here, set your color here, font color here. Also, let's set the background color, set the border color. When focus is entered, and now let's pick any color for it. Okay, and use different color for it when focus is not entered. Also set the border width, uh, too, and also you can set the border radius. Okay, now let's run the application. So you can see the text color is different and the focus entered in our text box control. That time border color is set, which I defined here, or also you can set the your different color. So let's set this one, and now let's run the application. So you can see the color of text box when focus is entered in your text box control, and writing the data color, your font text color is here also, which is defined. So here you just have to define your text field active color and deactive color also. So I hope this video will help you in about Qt QML controls, and please drop your comment if you have any question about how to use text field control, and any related comment about question about text field. And thanks for watching my video, and please like this video and share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. Thank you.